Hello and welcome to Irvine Valley College. I'm going to go ahead and walk you through where to find our virtual workshops and resources. My name is Fritzy Canis and I'm one of the counselors here at Irvine Valley College. Thank you for joining us as we walk you through where to access all these tools. The first thing we want to do is let you know that even though we're physically distancing, our IVC faculty, staff, and administrators are working very hard to make sure we keep you up to date, and we continue offering all our resources, our workshops available to you during the traditional schedule. So the first thing I want you to do is I'm going to walk you through over here on the right hand side. You have students. You're going to go ahead and click on services. Down below, the first place I'm going to take you to is going to be the Counseling Center. Here you will find the Counseling Center hours, which are Monday through Thursday from 8 to 7 p.m. and on Fridays from 8 to 5. All the counseling appointments, phone numbers are listed here, as well as drop in. Email is another way you can schedule an appointment. And on the left hand side, you have access to counseling appointments, your academic plan, any other athletics counseling, any other question you might have regarding Counseling Center is accessible here on the left hand side. Nevertheless, if you do have any questions, feel free and contact us directly. We'd love to be able to help you one on one. The next department we're going to take you to is going to be the Career Center. So, on any given semester, we offer several workshops throughout the whole semester. If you follow with me down below, there is a view calendar. Under the view calendar, you will find that for every single month, you will have a slew of workshops available to you. They're all approximately about an hour long on marketing yourself as a professional, rocking your resume, and several times a month. We also bring to you career chats, and these are business professionals in different industries. In the month of April, we have scheduled Donald Voss. He's the Senior National Sales Executive for Coca Cola. So if you are interested and want to partake in any of these career chats, please go on there. Don't hesitate to log on and register for this event. If you are a medical professional, in the month of May, we have a physical therapist, Miss Dr. Andrea Perez, who will be coming to you and talking to you about the field and giving her testimony of how she got from education to career quite swiftly. So make sure while we're at home during quarantine that you take advantage of all these services available to you. Like I said, they're approximately an hour long, and all you have to do is click on there and register for that. On the left-hand side, you'll also see resources that are available to you, career development process, internships. Two of the ones I want to highlight right now is College Central Network. This is a job platform for IVC students and UCI students. And in order to create an account, you have to set up an account using your IVC credentials, which are your login information and your student ID number. So, College Central is a job platform. During each week, we get industry business companies organization calling us for employees, and so we just have everyone list any jobs available to our students in College Central before they go to the larger platforms such as Indeed, Monster, and all the other ones available to them. The other really neat feature we have here is Road Trip Nation. So if you are on the fence about your career, you don't have a major lined up, or you know exactly what your major is. Road Trip Nation is really neat because it kind of takes you along this road trip to visit different professionals in every in which industry you're interested in. So once again, that is available to you at no cost. All you have to do is set up an account. All right, so the next place we want to go ahead and take you to is going to be our transfer center. So at the very bottom here, you'll see the transfer center. So wow, where to be and where to begin. A lot of our students who are in the process of transitioning right now have a lot of questions, and there's a lot of change coming down the pipeline. So, luckily, our wonderful team at IVC here is the team, and they can walk you through with any changes happening, any updates happening right now during this unprecedented time. So please feel free to check on the transfer center, the transfer department, for any questions, concerns you might have regarding private school, UCs, Cal States, any transfer question you might have. This would be the team to definitely ask away. The next place I'm going to take you to is we're going to go back to IVC homepage, but this time we're going to be clicking on the library. The reason why is because the library, just like the Career Center, has quickly gone ahead and taken all their semester long workshops and uploaded them and made them Zoom meetings for you to have access to. So, along with textbooks, articles, ebooks, and all kinds of really neat things that the library has for you, under the library workshop link, you will see access to all of their workshop as well. Their workshops are approximately about an hour long as well, such as how to do a good Google search, what is credible, what is not, citing right, research 101, fake news, books for research. So please go ahead and use these resources. They're available to you, and we want to make sure that you're, number one, taking advantage of them, and number two, that you're using them, because we at IVC are working really hard at updating all these resources and making them virtually available to everyone. Lastly, if you are a geek like me, you would really like this feature here. Under articles, if you click on database A through Z, and next step is you're going to click on K for Canopy. So if you enjoy documentaries, IVC has granted faculty, students, and administrators access to Canopy, which is a platform for documentaries. So anything you are interested in, you have access to here. Dozens, if not hundreds, of documentaries available to you. All you need is your IVC credentials, username, and password to set this up. And voila, you have access to a whole slew of documentaries at your fingertips. So we're going to jump back over here to ivc.edu, but this time we're going to go to the Health and Wellness Center at IVC. Luckily, before this awful pandemic happened, the IVC Health and Wellness Center was able to move right into their new facility, a state of the art equipment, state of the art facility available to all our students. So once hopefully we get back to normal soon, we will all be able to visit that facility. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and walk you through what services they have. So let's go to health and wellness as, let's see, right over here. And so, even though they are physically closed, we want to make sure that you are aware that they are open Monday through Friday from 9 to 4 p.m. via phone and Zoom conferencing for our registered IVC students. If you look further down, it tells you what their primary care looks like, their services and eligibility. But some of the things I want to point out here on the left are some really neat videos that our mental health therapist, Stacy Lavino, put together for our students during this crisis. A couple of them are coping during distancing, hand washing, taking temperature, Tylenol. These are really helpful resources available to our students. So make sure that you kind of dive in there and see what resources are available to you. We have Food Resource Center. Under basic needs, you'll see a really neat breaking barriers to success tutorials and resources here. Everything from medical, dental resources to housing, food, personal care, and so forth. So we want to go ahead and, on behalf of IVC counselors, faculty, staff, and administrators, we want to make sure that you have access to all of this. We want to make sure that you are staying home, that you are safe, that you stay healthy. Thank you for checking in with us. Bye for now from all of us at IVC, and we are truly looking forward to seeing you real soon and in person. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye bye.